Welcome back to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. One Medical offers a comprehensive virtual care platform designed to seamlessly integrate with their in-person services. Their digital health tools provide convenient access to a wide range of medical services, allowing patients to manage their healthcare needs from anywhere. With One Medical's virtual care, you can schedule appointments with providers, renew prescriptions, review your medical history, and even message your care team directly through their user-friendly app or website. This integrated approach to healthcare aims to bridge the gap between traditional office visits and the growing demand for digital health solutions. One Medical emphasizes a patient-centered approach, striving to provide personalized care that fits seamlessly into your lifestyle. Their virtual care offerings include same-day appointments for urgent needs, making it easier to get the care you need quickly and efficiently. Furthermore, they offer a range of resources, including educational materials and preventative care guidance, all accessible through their virtual platform. By leveraging technology, One Medical aims to empower patients to take control of their health, offering a convenient and comprehensive approach to managing their well-being. Their platform simplifies the process of accessing medical services, providing a streamlined experience for everything from booking appointments to reviewing lab results. The goal is to create a more connected and accessible healthcare experience, making it easier than ever to prioritize your health. This digital-first approach to healthcare emphasizes preventative care and ongoing wellness management, encouraging patients to engage with their health proactively. One Medical's virtual care platform is a testament to the evolution of healthcare, offering a modern solution that blends technology with personalized care. Whether you need a quick prescription refill or want to discuss a health concern with your provider, One Medical's virtual care provides a convenient and accessible entry point to their network of medical professionals. They also offer resources to help you navigate the complexities of the healthcare system, providing support and guidance every step of the way. By combining in-person care with robust digital tools, One Medical seeks to redefine the patient experience, creating a more integrated and personalized approach to health and wellness. The convenience of virtual care allows you to connect with your care team from the comfort of your home, office, or even while traveling, ensuring you have access to the care you need, whenever and wherever you need it.